The question here is, give the ion of the element and state how many electrons it gained or lost. First, let's represent the ion. Our first element is nitrogen. If we look at the ion periodic table, we see that nitrogen is in the 15th column, the -3 column at the top. That means we can represent the periodic symbol and the ion of nitrogen like this, N3-. Next, we can look at how many electrons it gained or lost. 3- means it gained 3 electrons. For some students, this is confusing, so I found a mathematical way to represent it also. Gained in math means plus. 3 electrons. Electrons are negative, so that means it gained -3, which equals an overall charge of -3, or 3-. That's where the charge comes from. Next element, let's look at bromine. Bromine on our ion periodic table is over in the 17th column, the -1 column, right here. That means we can represent bromine as Br1- or Br just minus. Bromine here gained one electron. We can represent that in math again as gained is plus and each electron is minus. So it gained -1, which equals the -1 or 1 negative overall charge. Next is potassium. Potassium on the ion periodic table is in the first column, the +1 column. It's represented by K right here. That means the ion representation of potassium will be K1+ or K+. Here, potassium lost 1 electron. To become the +1 that it is. In math, lost means negative. And the electron is negative, so that means -1. When we put negative and negative together, that equals positive. So that's how it ended up to be plus or +1. The last element here is barium. Barium on the ion periodic table, Ba, and it's in the +2 column, or the second column. Therefore, we can represent barium as Ba2+. Barium lost 2 electrons. Lost means negative in terms of math, and the electrons are negative, so it lost -2. Again, the negative and the negative together make a positive, so that means it became +2 charge, or the +2 ion. Sorry, I realize I spelled electrons up here wrong.